Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we're gonna be doing something extremely fun. I'm gonna go and we're gonna eat, sir. We're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna buy something very special. I'm gonna remember this day for the rest of my life, bro. So just stay tuned to the very end. You guys are not gonna want to miss it. It's gonna be good food and something special. Woo-hoo. Alright boys, so we're at the bank, gotta get the cashier's check. Are you guys gonna come down with me? Damn.
Yes.
So we killed it at the bank, we got a little cashier's check right over here. You already know how we freaking do it. I could have showed you guys a whole freaking, all the cash, you know, I could have just showed you guys that, but we legal now, baby. We legal, we do shit the legal freaking way. No cash, bro, 2022, no cash vibes. Bro, this guy wants to eat our proper sausages,
You're
bro.
a fucking
What
whore.
is that?
That's what you did. You
Ew, bro, this man can't just eat regular sausages. They gotta be proper. Alright boys, we're eating right over here. Yes sir.
No crap, I don't have my wallet.
I have Apple Pay. Don't worry bro, Daddy's got you. I just got the new car, bro. What you thought?
Damn.
Something light.
Damn. Is it on sport mode?
I don't know how to fucking use this car.
I'll take you right now.
Alright, well we're on, so now we gotta go drive. I still don't even know how to use this shit.
Look, drive. Is you took the brake out?
Car's faulty.
No, it's not.
There we go.
Now you can drive.
We're gonna go on a little drive. Let's take a look. So, the thing I like about the car, right, is I can literally, so if you go right over here to the keys, you unlock it, boom, right, it unlock, and then I can actually turn it on. That's the cold start. I could actually put it, I can put it on, what do you call this shit? Convertible? Well, I'm not gonna go ahead and do that. And I love this car. And then, okay, so in order to start it, and then you have like all your performance stuff. So in this, I have tour mode, I got sport mode, which just changes like everything. Then you have your track mode, which I'm going to show you guys how exactly what this does. It just gives it a little bit more power, a little bit more, you know, strength. And then I have like the Lamborghini. So like in Lamborghini, you gotta click this, like this, in order to go and drive, and then like this to go to park. I saw it in Daniel Savage's, which I really like that as well. I have two cup holders, you know the vibes. We have like a little tiny thing in here. Don't really put anything in it. And then this actually charges my phone wirelessly, which is fire. And then we have like all our, you know, temperature controls all throughout the side here. And then you can change the temperature right over here as well. But yeah, overall, pretty freaking fire car, dude. In order to open the door, you click this button right here, and then it opens. And that's pretty much it. And then you have your opener and all that stuff there. I have paddle shifters as well to go super duper fast, which I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it now. The thing I want to show you guys is the sunroof. It's also convertible as well. I can show you guys how to do that later though. Big thing that I want you guys to understand is that don't worry about your car, worry about your portfolio. And then worry about the car when the portfolio buys the car. You get what I'm saying? Invest your money first, and then with the money you invest, buy your liabilities, buy what you want in order to have fun, you know? Thinking about, I'm gonna find a spot to go eat at or something. I'm gonna call my friend right here. And that's not even me like pushing it, you know? I'm gonna show you guys exactly how crazy it is, bro. You guys are gonna freaking love it. And what a beautiful day it is outside, right? Palm trees. This is my city. And then the funniest thing about this freaking city is that that's where they put all of our freaking garbage, bro. So they built a city, a beautiful city, and then they put a freaking mountain of garbage right there. Like, what is that? Another little C7. But yeah, that's our mountain of garbage.
Yo, where you going?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up?
Say what's up to the vlog.
What's good, chat?
What up, chat? No, I'm sure. Right now. I don't even know, bro. Where do you want to meet up at? I'm trying to have like a beer or something.
Have you been to World of Beer? Is it good?
We can go there. I'm down.
I've never been there, but I think it's pretty good. I heard it's pretty good.
This car does not belong here.
Hey, dude.
Right?
It's definitely not. That's where you came from, bro.
They can do it too, right?
Just gotta put in a little work. Well, a lot of work.
Bye.
I definitely remember you walking Brody around here.
No, trapping at the bando.
Yeah, dude.
What's up, Bubba?
No way, dude.
yeah, you filmed this.
How many points did you run him over? I'm just kidding.
Yo, how many points to run him over, chat? Yo, this guy's dangerously close, though.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, Papa. Bro, where's the stocks? I'm gonna get him over. Papa. Alright.
He ain't fucking with you.
I feel bad for him, though.
Yeah. Not
He doesn't have a
bad.
collar. Nothing we can. Bye, Papa. See you later. So, which is my house? I thought Daniel would be able to. Oh my god, maybe my neighbors are here, right?
Is that
My
one?
house. They painted it.
It was that second door over there, right?
That door over there, bro.
Yeah,
What is
bro.
that?
I remember the lady used to bitch about parking, you remember?
Yeah. I'll come here and buy that shit now. This is gonna be the launch control, boys. You ready? This exact freaking whatever this shit, they call it the farm store here in Florida. Bro, they robbed me there. $1,200 cash, right there, at 3 o'clock in the morning. Fuck. Fuck it, they can have it.
This is the entrance though, right? Right here is so close.
Yeah. I would love to see the owner, bro. the owner I rented all the houses with.
Yeah.
Imagine if I see him today. Like I rented all these trailer homes
From the same
to
owner.
the same guy.
Okay.
And I remember, bro, I used to struggle like paying him and shit sometimes.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy. Ay, gracias. Ay, gracias. Alright, boys, so I used to live right here. This used to be my old house. Isn't that crazy? They built a whole ass tree house back there now. What is this? It's fucking crazy. This used to be my spot. Oh, they got puppies. Hey, puppies. Beautiful. I used to have this backyard for my dogs. Someone used to live back there and I used to live here. It's fucking insane though, boys. Bye! Yeah, but like little girl was a little intense, chat.
Yeah, she's definitely a little intense. Alright, yo, are we gonna go to the first just moved out crib?
Are we? Cause that one was a little shittier. It was nicer actually, from the outside.
That one you can tell the story how they broke the fucking window.
Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, let's do that. So yeah, we're gonna show you the first house I used to live in here. It's pretty rough, man. Like if you guys look, like show them all like the garbage and shit everywhere, dude. And bro, people rob here. Bunch of crackheads at night. Like right now it's pretty civil, you know, the crackheads are sleeping after being up all freaking night. Looking for crack, you know? But here, at nighttime, you can't even fucking walk around with some weird shit happening.
Yeah, you cannot walk around.
Drunk people everywhere, bro. Like, fights, cops everywhere.
People looking at you bad.
Hella drug dealers as well. Yeah, people don't even say hi. Like,
Yeah,
you
people
guys,
literally-
here you can literally wave to someone and they look at you like if you're fucking weird, dude.
Yeah.
Like, I'm like, dude, I'm just a nice guy. You know?
Literally.
God damn, wave back.
I remember that shit. Like, these people got balls walking their kids around.
But this is their life, bro. Like, you think it's normal, you know? Like, this is my life, too. You think it's fucking normal for someone to be living like that.
Yeah.
And it shouldn't be normal, you know?
Damn, you know exactly how to get here. You got here quick.
Dude, I know, bro. I used to make this drive every day of my life. This was our house.
It was definitely there. They changed it though, right?
Bro, what the guy does is that he rents it out until he gets his freaking money back.
That he sells it?
And then, like, so he has a little bit more equity in the house, and then he sells it, you know? So he doesn't owe as much.
I remember this annoying ass parking. But this was first original crib,
This
bro.
is my first, like, ever house.
Yeah.
Ever. We used to live in a little door. This is a big house split in 4 houses. That's how you guys have to see it. You know? It's not just fucking one house here. No, it's a efficiency.
Yeah, it's 4 different houses.
But we've came a long way, boys. Like, you don't know how long I've been wanting to do this shit. Just come back and just fucking, you know, reminisce a little bit.
There's fucking big ass trucks in the way, but it was right there.
Look, and I wish that my people...
That was your door, no? Yeah, we used
That
to.
was my door.
That was your door. We used to chill.
We broke that window.
Well, the door is covering it, but inside that door, there's 2 doors. One to the left and one to the right, right? Towards your neighbors.
Yep.
Basically like living with a roommate, kind of. But they had their own kitchen and shit.
That's fun. Let's get the fuck out of here. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna actually... what do you wanna do? We're gonna drink some beer, we're gonna vibe it up?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Let's get it!
Cook crack in the microwave, niggas can't fuck with me, man, my Kobe's. Call me shit boy, y'all 50.
You might have to call it an Uber.
This nigga, dog.
No, I'm just kidding.
Are you gonna get banged up or?
Well, the beer. You know the vibes. What are you getting, sir?
I'm getting. What was that shit you said? The fat tire.
You're getting a fat tire?
I've never had.
They have one here?
Yeah.
What would you guys get, boys? Let me get the menu. Leave in the comment section down below. What do you get? Dark? Belgian? Sour? Cider? Specialty? Old school? Or mixed draughts? Let me know. Alright boys, so he finally figured out what beer he wanted. He got a Fat Tire from Belgium. How is it? Taste it. Like this? Or like... And I got, I don't even know what the fuck this shit is.
It looks weird.
Yo. I guess it does look weird, but fuck it. It's pretty good. I almost spilled it all over me.
Why that cup though?
Yo, why this cup though? I don't know, it makes you feel fancy. You get the little picky up and shit.
So how do we do this?
Are we gambling?
Yeah. Of course we're gambling, bro. I'm gonna take your 1,000. What do you mean? This 760M.
I'm gonna get your car.
Yeah, pink slip.
Not yet.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
Can you still hear me?
Yeah, for sure. Yes, sir.
Yeah, hung up.
Ain't no room right now, I took her to the O. Then I put up on the lamp cause she a fan of.
Yo, so this guy really thinks he's gonna fucking beat me, bro. Look at that fucking fat ass fucking car, bro. Get ready. Left, Bobby. Gotta go fast, huh? Simple.
Everybody wants to know what I would do if I didn't win. I guess we'll never know.